Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informal video. In today's video, we finally have the unboxing of the new Moto G Power. So this is by Boost Mobile. I just got this phone in yesterday, so I'm filming today since there's light outside and didn't get here super nighttime. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and the first boot up of this phone. Very excited. So let's go ahead and do our traditional unboxing. So it says Boost Mobile, best value in prepaid, mejor valor en prepagado. So that's basically just in Spanish. So here it is. It says activate on our newly expanded data network. There's the phone itself. It looks really nice, at least through the picture. Like I said, we'll open it in a little bit. Moto G Power. So this phone's a 6.6 inch HD plus max vision display, up to 3 days battery. Wow. No wonder they call it the Moto G Power. 48 megapixel triple camera system. Fast octa-core processor, 64 gigs of internal storage with 4 gigs of RAM. Wow, it's gonna be real good when it's time to do like a gaming review and all that stuff on it. So pretty cool. Of course, on the side you just have the Boost Mobile logo. On the back you'll have more information here. So Moto G Power, like I said, it's a 6.6 inch HD plus max vision display, up to 3 days of battery, talk time up to 48 hours. Good lord. 48 megapixel triple camera system, fast octa-core processor, 64 gigabytes of ROM, 4 gigs of RAM. So pretty cool. Super simple to set up. Just pick a plan, activate, all that good stuff, of course. So really nice. Let's go ahead and pop the top open off this. This is the only part I hate about doing these unboxings. Like I said, that's usually what happens, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'll just fast forward. All right guys, so now that we have it open, like I said, pretty difficult. Let's go ahead and pop it open. All right, these things are really stuck together, so let's go ahead and check it out. Wow, look at that. Really cool. It's like, it looks black on camera, but it's actually, I would say, like a dark blue, very dark blue. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Very nice. I like the box right away. So big Motorola logo, Moto G Power, nothing on the bottom, nothing on top. The Moto G logo on the side, and then on the back, same thing, just says Motorola. So let's go ahead and cut these open and see what it has. We have it. Let's go ahead and pop her open. First time seeing this phone. Wow. So we'll look at the phone in just a sec. I'd like to see what's inside. Alright guys, so here you go. You do have your charger here, charging cable. It's a type C, as you guys can see. So it is a type C. And then of course you have your power brick. Doesn't look like it's fast charging, but it is a Motorola logoed charger, so it's nice. Then of course you have your SIM extractor tool and nothing else on the bottom, and then your quick little manual, but nobody reads those things. So let's get to the phone. All right guys, so here's the phone. Wow, look at this thing. Pretty big phone. So let's go ahead and take off the plastic. Wow guys, this is a huge phone. Look at this. I mean, 6.6 inches, jeez. Definitely looks nice. I like this feel right here, right off the bat. I'm hoping that's the fingerprint sensor, but I'm guessing it's a power button. But see how indented it looks? Let me see if I can focus it. There you go. Pretty cool. So you have your volume up, volume down, power button on the right. It looks like your SIM key or your SIM door is right here on the left. You do have your front-facing camera. Nice. You do have a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top. Then on the bottom, you just have your connector, and then you do have your bottom firing speaker, or charging port, should I say? I don't even know why I said connector. Hopefully this has the dual speaker setup. We don't know. We'll check it out. But let's look at the back. The back is the amazing part. Look at this. It's like a two-tone. It goes from a light gray to a black towards the back, so hopefully the camera will pick that up. There you go. I do like how the cameras are set up in the back. They look very nice. There you go. Almost has like a carbon fiber look, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do the first boot up and see how that goes. Wow. Jeez. That's probably the coolest boot up screen I've seen in a while. That was very, very nice. So let's see what it does once it gets to like the main part. I'll go ahead and pause the video and we'll start. Whoa. Man, that's cool. Tell me that's not cool. And there's Boost Mobile. Alright, so let me pause it and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we are back now that the phone has fully kind of booted up and everything. Of course, it just goes through the whole setup of, set up your Google account and everything. I haven't done that just yet, but here's the phone. It's pretty cool what it looks like once you turn it on. So we scroll this down. You can see some stuff are still downloading, but pretty cool. So let me see if it zooms in. Bluetooth, do not disturb, flashlight, which we always test, pretty bright. Auto rotate, battery saver, mobile network or mobile data, airplane mode, screencast. Wow. So it does have screencast. That's pretty cool. I like that feature. So if you guys like to watch movies from your phone to your TV, this phone does have screencast, which some phones don't have, especially around this price. Remember, I got this phone for about $90 after shipping and taxes and everything. This phone, I did get it on discount through a promotion that Boost Mobile had. I think it was like 15% off or something like that. So it's pretty cool. Night mode or night light, system update, and share feedback. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and go to the settings. And as you can see, there's battery life, 62% display. So just your average stuff. Of course, I like the 3 buttons on the bottom. I'm just used to it. Privacy, location, security. So it does have fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint and face unlock. So it's pretty nice. Let's see. Storage. So you get 47 gigabytes. So it's used 16 gigs out of 64. So that is, I guess, the system uses about 15. So if you guys can see, you have a 47.88 gigs for free. So now let's go into about, and we'll see what Android version this is running. So it is, wow, cool. So device name is actually the Moto G Power 2021. So that's pretty nice. Of course, Boost Mobile, and it is Android 10. So it is Android 10. Let's go to the camera real quick just to see what it has to offer. So welcome camera. So of course, let's go to settings. Let's see that. So here's all the settings that you'll get. 12 megapixel, 48 megapixel, quad pixel. Video, you can do full HD, 20:9, 60 frames per second. Wow, that's pretty cool. HDR, so you can turn HDR. It does have HDR, which is nice. Photo size. This for the selfie camera, same thing. You do different aspect ratios, as well HDR. Pretty cool. Selfie mirror, quick capture. Tap anywhere to capture. Shutter sound, assign grid, leveler, keep last mode. You can even put a watermark. So wow. There's AI as well, so just your selfies and everything like that. Google Lens. Pretty cool. So either the different modes here. Timer, there's the Google Lens. Photos, videos. Here's some of the photo stuff here. So portrait, cutout, whoa. Spot color, night vision, cinematograph, panorama, group selfie, live filter, pro. Man, there's a lot of features on this camera. I might have to do like a video or a camera test. I mean, good Lord. There's a lot of good stuff here. So the stuff is probably loading in still. So that's probably why I kicked this out, but I'm very intrigued by this camera, guys. So pretty cool. Slow motion, does have slow motion for video. Time lapse, spot color, and like I said, the different modes, portrait modes as well. So cutout. One face must be in frame. Cool. So overall, it's pretty cool, guys. I'm very excited for it. Does it have the chop chop? Yes, it does. So the regular, boom, there you go. So pretty cool. So like I said, it has different setups. I like the cameras a lot, so we'll go ahead and test that out later on. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you thinking about getting this phone? Like I said, I got it for under $100. Good price. Like I said, let me know in the comments below what you think. Should I do a camera review or a gaming review or a phone review? Let me know in the comments below. Dragonic Warfare signing off, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you so much.